Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Magnify on screen with the S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with the S25 Ultra, you have the S Pen, and with this feature, you have a feature called Magnifier. So basically using your S Pen, you can go ahead and point it and it'll basically magnify it for you. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first I want to go ahead and open up a gallery, and here I want to magnify some text just here as it is just too small to read. So to magnify this, I can go ahead and take out my S Pen. Once my S Pen is removed, your air command will open up. If you don't see your air command, you can go ahead and turn this on by going to Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, and here when S Pen is removed, open the air command. Set that option. Now in the air command, you're looking for the magnify option, which looks like this, magnify. If you don't see it, go ahead and tap on the plus sign and add it to your air command, the magnify option. Now here, I'll go ahead and open up the air command, tap on magnify. Now wherever I point, I can go ahead and magnify it. If I want to magnify a bit more, I can go ahead and take my S Pen to the top right. And where it says 150%, I can go ahead and tap on this and I can go ahead and select 300%. And then using my S Pen, I can go ahead and point it and I can go ahead and magnify what I want to see on screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the magnifier tool with your S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.